Famous social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn has given right to all the users to show their expression on a post through comments. Like a person starts a company and want to hire people to work in the company. First he will upload some posts and will tell the audience that what kind of job he is offering, and then people who are interested to work in the company will do comments to share their expression and also ask some question related to the job. And that's how this mechanism work. And this post and comments can be of any kind, like user can upload any social post to share his or her ideas, and people can comment to share their expressions, and this scenario will be like this. And also at the end of this video I have one task for you to complete, so stay tuned in order to not miss the task and the new stuff I'm going to share in this video. So in the previous video we just implement the beautiful like animations like the real Instagram. So now open up the emulator and check how this works. So we got 2 posts here in our Instagram application, and now if you check this post, we have liked the post, there is the likes incremented by 1 and the heart icon is red. Now when I double tap this, the post is now unliked, but in the previous video we left one thing, that was to like the post when we click this small heart icon. So to also like the post while clicking the small heart icon, we have to do one thing, is just to go to the single post card widget and the method, this like post method. We also have to call this method on the heart icon. Where is that? Here. Now we will wrap this icon with the widget, and that widget will be, you are surely familiar with this is the gesture detector, and this provides us many methods like on tap, on double tap, on long press, on tap cancel, and many like this. When this icon taps, so we will do like the post, and that's it. Now after doing this, hit enter to make it analyze by dot analyzer, because it were gray before, and when we hit the enter it becomes colorful, like it's analyzed now. So now after this, how to start your application, and after that when your application restarts, simply go for the second post, click this, the post is like on this. Now when we double tap this, you can see the post is unlike. We can also like this and unlike from here. And when we double tap this, if you look at, we have the like, but looks a bit slow. To make it a bit faster, you have to go to the like animation widget, and simply you have to divide this millisecond on 2, and simply how to start your application. And then when it restarts, now come here and double click. Now it looks a bit quick and it unlikes the post. When you double tap again, it likes the post. From here we can also unlike the post. So now it's time to go for implementing the comment entity. So to do that, you have to go to the domain layer, and inside the entities you have to create one directory, and we'll name it simply the comment. And inside this comment directory, create a new dot file, and its name will be comment entity, and that's it. Inside this comment entity there will be a class, and its name will be comment entity open body. And also not forget to extend it with the equatable for the value equality, and this will create a new missing override which will for now throw an implemented error when we create the fields. So we will pass all the fields in one list, and that's it. Remove this to do implement props from here, and that's it. Now, so what our comment entity or comment is going to hold. So to analyze this, go to the emulator and click click this comment icon. So when we post our comment, it will look something like this. So what we want is the username, the description, and the timestamp, the total replies for this, the likes on the post, not on the post but on the comments, and the comment ID and user profile URL and these fields. So first of all, we are going to have the final string description, and also not forget to make it nullable. So this will be this description of the comment. And next we are going to have is the final string username, the name of the user. And next hold Ctrl and D to duplicate this and simply change its name to user profile URL. And next we are going to have is the timestamp. So this will be final timestamp and will be create at, like when the comment is created or posted. That's it. And then the likes on the comment. So we are going to have the list of string and likes. This scenario will be similar to the post as we have in the post. Like when we like the comment, there will be stored the user UID and the heart icon will be shown red, and when we again click it, it will become outline and the user ID will be removed from the list. And that's how this like scenario will be also for the comment. And next we are going to have one field of final num, like it can be double or integer also, and its name will be total replies, like how much replies are on this comment, as we had for the post, how much comments on this post. Like if you look at in here, we have total comments and total likes, and same as we have the total replies on that comment. And next we are going to have is the final string comment ID. This will be the ID on which we will manipulate our comment, like to update it, delete it, or like it. And one more thing in here we are gonna have is this will be the final string post ID. Now why is that? Why we have the post ID in the comment entity? The reason behind this is, first we are gonna have the post collection. Inside the post collection we have different posts, and each post have its own unique ID. Like we generate the random UID for each of the posts when we are uploading the post, and inside each post document, when user comment on that post, in each document there will be created a new collection. Its name will be comment. Inside that comment collection there will be all the comments of that particular post. Like we have first the post document inside the post collection, and inside that particular document of the post there will be another collection of the post, and inside this collection there will be all the comments of that particular post. So first we have to access the post specific document, that's why we have the post ID, and then we have the comment collection, and inside that there will be many comments on comment ID, and the comment ID will be similar randomly generated ID. And one last field here will be the final string UID or the creator UID, like who create this comment. So that will be all the fields which will be of our single comment. Now that's it. Select one of this field, like as I selected the creator UID, hold Alt and enter, this window will appear. Select the second one, create constructor for final fields, hit enter, and that's it. Now go at the end, put comma here and hold Ctrl Alt Shift L, this window will appear. Hit enter, so the code will be formatted. And now not forget to make them name parameters, so select them, hold shift and the curly brace, so these will not this but the curly brace to make them name parameters by wrapping them in these curly braces. And after this, next thing we have to do is just to remove this throw unimplemented error from here, put a list here and copy all these fields from here and paste it right here. Select all these with the dot and hold Alt and J to select the corresponding list just like this, and now backspace to remove them. And that's it, and there you go. We have successfully implemented our comment entity, and that will be all the fields for or data for the single comment when we post or upload or create our comment. And next thing we have to do it in our domain layer is just to go to the Firebase repository, and as we have the post feature, copy them and paste them right here and name them comment features. And this will be this time the create comment, and this is going to accept the comment entity, and this will be simple comment. And this time this will be read comments, and copy this comment entity from here, paste it right here. And also for all these fields just like this, this is going to be the update comment, and this will be update, not update but delete comment. And lastly the like comment, and that will be the features of the comment. Now there is an unimplemented error in the Firebase repository implementation, because the Firebase repository is an abstract class and this is implemented by this repository implementation class. So we also have to do it in here. Hold Alt Enter, create the 5 missing overrides, and now let's implement them. But before, we have to do one thing, is just to copy these fields from here and go to the remote data source, and here we also have to paste them right here like this and import the comment entity. Now in the Firebase repository implementation, implement them async, and this will be remote data source dot create comment. That's it. And the next will be delete comment, make it async remote data source dot delete comment, not post but delete comment. It accepts the comment. That's it. For liking the comment, this will be async remote data source dot like comment, and then this is the stream method, so we have to do not the async but simple arrow function, and remote data source dot read comments. That's it. And for updating the post, we have to do async remote data source dot update comment. And one more thing we have to do it in here is just to go to Firebase repository, and in the reading comments we have to specify here the string post ID. Now why is that? This is because we have to read all the comments of a single post. So first we have to access the particular post, and then we will read all the comments of that post. So that's why we need the post ID in the read comments, so that this will allow us to read all the comments of that post. So this was a bit mistake that we passed the comment entity, not a mistake but the wrong parameter. And this was also possible by the comment entity, just because we have the post ID also in here, so we also could accept this post ID from the comment entity. But to make it more accurate, I did it like to make it only post ID, just because we only need this post ID to read it. So why we will pass the whole comment entity just to access the post ID? So we simply pass it the post ID to make it more simple and accurate. So now we will reflect the changes in all the areas. Okay, we will copy it from here, and in the remote data source we will also paste it right here. And for the Firebase repository implementation, we will paste it right here, and also copy this post ID and paste it right here. So that's it. Now go to the remote data source implementation, and this is final. Create 5 missing overrides, hit enter, and these will be implemented in the next video. And then after this we will finally go for the presentation layer to utilize our UI. You will see we will create comment, delete, like and read, and finally update. So next thing we have to do it in the domain layer is in the use cases, close this post and create new directory and name it comment. Inside that comment we are going to have 5 files of create, read, update and delete the post, and finally like it. So we are gonna have read, comment, use case, and next will be create, comment, use case, and next use case will be the update, comment, use case, and the fourth one will be the delete, comment, use case, and the last one will be is to like, comment, use case. And now you are surely familiar with this, that what we have to do by following the drive principle. Do not repeat yourself. Go to the post directory and go to this create post use case, copy all of them from here, hold Alt and A, select all, Ctrl C, and go to the create comment use case, paste it right here. Now select this, hold Alt J to select the corresponding one, and simply change only this post and name it comment, so it becomes create comment use case. And now simply call the create comment from here, and also change the post entity to comment entity, and this will also be the comment. So this becomes our comment create comment use case. Now delete this unused import, and now hold Alt F from here and go to delete comment use case and paste it right here. Only select this and select the corresponding one, and this will be to delete the comment, and this method will be delete comment. That's it. Now go to the like comment use case, paste the similar content here, select this, select the corresponding one, change its name to like comment use case, change the method to like comment, and for the updating we will come for the read in last because it's a bit different. Paste it right here, and this will be update comment use case, and this will be also update comment use case. And that's it. Go to the read comment, paste the same data here, select this, change its name to read comment use case, and now its type will be of stream list of comment entity. And this remind me one more thing, that we didn't change the type of the comment read method in the Firebase repository. You can see it is the stream list of post entity, so we have to change stream list of comment entity, not only comment but the comment entity. Now copy it from here and reflect the changes in all. And this in the Firebase repository implementation, there will be also the stream list of comment entity, and also in the remoted source this will also be the same. And in the remoted source implementation, the type will be also list of comment entity. And in the read comment use case, now we will call the read comments and remove this comment entity from here, and this will be string post id. Copy it from here, paste it right here. There is still an error just because it's saying the value of streamless comment entity can't be returned from the method call because it has return type of streamless comment. Okay, we have to change the comment to comment entity, so this will become happy, or the analyzer will become happy. So what we have done in here, we create our comment entity, the data which will be stored in the Cloud Firestore database when someone create a comment. And then this was the features of the comment: to create, read, update, delete and like the comment. And also the use cases, we implement the Firebase repository, and we also pass or create the features here, and we only left the real implementation of them in the remote source implementation, and we will do or implement them in the next video. So that was it for this video, and I have one task for you. As we had in the previous video of, not the previous but the video of when we were creating the comment, not the comment but the post entity, I had given you a task to create the post model. Now you have to create the comment model, and it's really simple. You may be familiar with the user model and the post model. Simply create the comment directory in here like this, name it comment, and inside this create the comment model, and simply copy and paste the data from the comment entity, pass it in the constructor, also in the super constructor, and create the snapshot method. And all the fields will be like this. For list you have to do it like this, and simply to JSON. So this will be really the same. I'll be happy if you do this, and also let me know in the comment section. So that was it for this comment, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, show some love in the comment section, and also let me know if something is not clear to you. So for now, goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.